Big up Crosses TV.
Who name Crosses? Somebody can name Crosses.
On social media, Queenie and Dowey. And nobody have no remarks to pass about them. One just laugh and say, boy, I'm not like when I first everybody just say Queenie and her Dowey and Queenie and her Dowey. And nobody now pass no judgment. When you see them, you just laugh. You understand what I say? But to how she treat him and how she deal with him like a look of floor mat. And now him a deal back with her like a footstool. Then just sick people's stomach. It's simple. But she look worse than him. She look worse than him. You know a part where bun me more anything? If you see you make a little picnic thump in your blood clot face. You just imagine you have your mother and see a little boy thump your mother in her face and you know go put something in her pussy hole as a picnic. And that alone are coming on my mind. So I could have my mother and I see little boy can thump my mother, bust up my mother face and I put two pan in pussy hole. You just are then thinking them having in my mind.
Welcome back.
Me I look on her as my own mother then I say, oh young boy if you thump my mother in her face and bust up my mother's face and I'm gonna put him on the ground. And then where they may think, because of your careless life. Because of your careless life as a big woman. Listen what you have to know, you know. And a lot of people always say that, you know. And I want to know if you understand this, you know. It's not everybody pay attention to social media, you know. I want to listen to this, you know. You know, say, Dowey can't say Queenie and don't know nothing about Queenie social media life, the type of life where Queenie live on social media. In just see her as a big woman coming in a place and him own her and like her and whatever. Him wasn't even a social media person, you know. You never see girl in your community as a man where you start fuck, and as you start fuck them, so you go tell one of your friends that you say, that the bad girl there, you want a man in there, and like you say, but me never hear nobody talk that yet. But as you go get the fuck so, you hear everything what she do. Sometimes you're blind to people and people that want to say, you don't know a prime minister? Look how much people in America, we're born in America and them ask them, who are president, and not even that they know. Some people come like them blind to the world. Some people blind to the world. Want something to entice them don't pay attention to it. You have some people never even go up on Facebook. So if you say to them, say, you know Queenie, they ask you who name so. And you just say, you live on the rock if you don't know. I know everybody know everybody. And we have to know them something there. Maybe when him all do see her, him see the best her. You understand? The look of brawling where she brawling. Him not see her and no man on social media and she had, you understand? Him not see them there something there, them side there. You have to know them something there. You have to know them something there, you know. So she, remember, you know, the calmest a man and a woman are when they just meet. It take a time for you to know who your partner really is. The first time your partner flare up on you, you're so fucking frightened. You know the day I go come, but like, yeah, say everything nice, only just live nice. It won't agree with everything. It won't until one day one just snap. The first time you lick your woman, she never knows say you lick woman. You never tell her say you beat woman. But you do it. And you know they good and nice and everything. So you have to know them something there. Him no must did know nothing about her. And if you don't listen to him interview, him never know nothing about her. Him never know she was that type of person. Whoever hear about Queenie beating a man, you don't talk the truth to God love. You don't ever hear of Queenie beating a man. The only story one you can talk about Queenie are the shoplifting and Queenie the ball to the cow. And the woman they brawling and that's it. But you never hear say she a beat man. So him never did expect all of them something there. Him just know say him want help and she decide to help him and him just take the help. And as me tell you now, I'm going to tell you now over and over again. Remember that little boy did play him role when he play as a man by not disrespecting that woman. Not talk to her when him say she get upset, him don't answer her until she start beating him for answer her. That's why I put all of the blame on she. That little boy never get so much pussy for fuck until he meet that woman. That woman came and buy him pussy. So what kind of respect you want from him? Tell me. What kind of respect you want from him? Remember, you know, as she come out can tell we say she talk to him and him no want answer. Every time she talk to him, he no want answer. So she chop him in his face in answer. You know how his mother feel?
If and when I win,
you shouldn't even contact that.
no matter what.
You shouldn't even talk that. You know how we Jamaicans stay already. I say blood clot Queenie I beat Dowey all within jars. That's how we are going to say, that's how we stay. So you make we start bring him down right there so.
Do you agree with the president?
And you come out and you laugh and him have the bandage over him face like nothing happened. But when you get your blood clot thump in the face, you come out and ball to the whole social media. Oh, him then come out come ball when you trap him in a film face. And the people them will never did watch the show from it start. Come out and take up for you when them don't know say you are the aggressor. And you start it. And you start the chop in a face. Fame one is an accident because I thump him and it bust. But you literally use a cup. You literally use a cup and chop him in his face. After you lick him with the cup in his face, you know it will bust him face. Or a big coke will come up in his face if it no bust. And you still do it because you feel like you're a man. So you have to get treatment like man. Yeah. Because the boy grew up on you now. You come a ball every day. Because I know you look a boy where you take up and did that treat him like foot clot. He grew up now. And enough of a woman them a lick out when they know say are you a problem. Yes, we are going to say Dowey ungrateful. Him not ungrateful. When you really look into it, him not ungrateful. I bad treatment to him I get. Him I run from. The bad treatment. The disgrace. You ever hear that boy come out and say you're sucking wood? No. But you have as a big 54-year-old woman have to come out and say you lick out him body and in your back and them. He's a disgrace. He's a disgrace. She's a disgrace. You never hear that little boy come out and talk them things about she. But she come out and tell it public. Think about it. Because she don't have no shame and no ambition. And it is what it is. That's how you go. Him always a hold back. Always a hold back. Everything when they do, she can put it on social media. Everything. Yeah, and you can't blame him for nothing because he not do nothing. Him do what he's supposed to do, take away him blood clot self. But true, we are hypocrite. All of we are hypocrite. Look how the boy take her up. You see how she did plummy and look on her now. She's a devil.
He faces decades.
Them want to take up vulnerable man at Jamaica. Vulnerable man, they want to go for them big woman, them big old long time crosses woman. They want to take up vulnerable man where they know can't help themselves. So they can treat like foot clot. Because they can't find a real man for angle the way they want for angle man, you know. So that's why them not choose real man, you know. Kind of real man they want, you know. A boy they want to suck up under them. And then can have them back at them in a pram and push them blood clot. And that they want. Me will never forget the day when the woman beat the little boy out at the airport and the police them run cross. And up to now, none of the police them don't go to the little boy. And she then go to. Up to now, one of the police don't say something to him and she then go to. Because them say she the aggressor. And then we go on like we are hypocrite and go on like say, this woman, she under stress. And she put her fucking self in a stress where she in her. When you love something, you treat it good. You claim to say you love a boy, you're mad over a boy, you this and you that. You can't get him back the way or you want him when you just meet him and have him a spin him like a gig. Him did last him way them time, they know him find it. So as you've talked toward now in Ghana, your blood clot and left you. Make you dip on your own.
Thank you. I actually want to ask you.
That's why a lot of people think so because them help you, you owe them obligation for the rest of your life. Fuck that. Fuck that. A lot of Jamaican people think like that. Because them do one good it come like then you automatically become them slave. If you refuse them one time, then walk and tell everybody what them do for you and oh you're ungrateful and you're this and you're that. Not because you do one thing for me if you under your tail for the rest of my life. But you're not going to tell the people them what me do back for you. You just are going to mention it one because are you gonna make me come a foreign or are you make me own my first car? So all of my other car them when me own, you know want to talk about them you constantly I say, oh, I'm the first man make them one car for me, them never hey, what's up my husband? They wouldn't have no car, you know. I just start them a debate pan. Yes, when you did buy the car, I couldn't afford to buy one. So you help me to get one. Me appreciate it. But now to me have other car and you call me to do a favor and me tell you say me can't come. You have to tell everybody say are you make me get the first car and are you make me this and if I never you this and if I saw Jamaica people a lot of them are selling still. Well I know everybody who now go do things and them are go sit down and now nobody 24/7. Now go work like that.
Okay, I feel really weird.
When you're there at Jamaica, some of them, two them used to come from foreign and carry look at two look at clothes, gongi and two look at this. They help you if you come from foreign now. You go find a woman or a man and you're gonna live by your own now. They say you're rich and switch. Can't you fit itch up under them bodies every day like when you used to itch up at Jamaica? You know if you go look no life for yourself. When people see them and say, well as I said that, maybe they know nothing about them, the people they call. From them people that come there and switch for me. Me I tell you, so weird. So if you send for me a foreign as my friend, when me used to be in Jamaica, when you come down and me and you everywhere, me and you, me carry you around, me do this here, me do that. I work for you, you know. Me I do my best for you for help me, you know. Now you help me and me come here, yeah. And me find one little man where decide say, me I rent a place for me and you. Me no fi go. Me no fi go live my own life. And true, when you call me to do certain things, I say, I can't come today because I have to go somewhere for my boyfriend or whatever. You say me switch. You start criticize me. You start keep malice. Call me another the Andy woman where you used to have no more. Or the Andy man where you used to have no more. Yeah, I saw some people stay. Them say you're ungrateful. That is not ungrateful. People have to move on and go live them life. People now go itch up under people body every day. Not even under your mother and your father body you now go itch up every day. A day I go come when you go decide say yes. Me I go, me I go move out, me I go launch out, me I go somewhere else. Me I go do something different. They say you're ungrateful, you're ungrateful. Some people sick here, man. So because you send for me a foreign, if you sit down and make you beat me and treat me like that, sure you send for me can go that alone Jamaica people are look at. Oh, and she send for him, and if I never she would go foreign. So true, and she send for him, and if I never she would go foreign. If you sit down and make she beat him like that, and tie chain around his neck and drive, enough to try to get himself out of the bandage there. Okay. Alright. He might go sit down in it. At one point, he might go turn up as a man, and that happen. He might turn up as a man, and she not like that. Yeah, at one point, he might go stand up as a man. So we have to know them something they say. You see, in broke with her, he go get Canada visa. In broke with her, he get America visa. So other life out there to live. Even this suck up and her said we come like him that's has taunted himself. You have to know that.
And you look at New Hampshire where he didn't do well last time, and there was an effort on the part of Congressman Phillips to challenge him, and there was.
So you have to know them something they say. People have to move on. If you might de back her every day and suck up on her and she can't go back road every day, go buy him pussy and in bed they fuck sleep, then him drink and this. It come like him just a taunted in now move. When him and her break up now, we push him more for do other things. Good man, he push him more for do other things. You know, she said, do we one lucky blood clot boy? A 3 visa a man get. You know much man in Jamaica that want 1 visa and can't get one, a 3 in get. Yeah man, him have to launch man and go do what he have to do. I left the crosses man alone. When him broke, kind sugar mommy, you know, when him broke and want money, he can take what she have. And left again, blood clot cartoon. Oh, she said it. Yeah. So if you're there foreign and nothing now going, you just come down to your sugar mommy. Make sure you stack your pocket and you go again. Yeah, just like that. Write as a book.
Alright, I will leave you with this.
They don't want no husband. They don't want no man. They want boy. They want come around. Now that they want come around.
This for college basketball history.
Come around, they want. They seen there with the man for 17 years. And that's when you used to carry man, mount a girl in carry go give man for fucking. I see man left side way. Because man tired of them dirty life there. The man left side way.
Score in basketball.
I know everybody want them the life
Well,
there.
not men's basketball, basketball.
Sometimes people want to pick for themselves.
State. I'm a Michigan fan, so that's great.
Them a dirty life and you want to live. Big 54-year-old woman. Yeah, your husband a fuck. 3 girl, your man a fuck. Young girl a fuck. You know in a one room a fuck. Then your husband come out. You in a room a suck and fit. Big 50. No go with no blood clot nasty life and go. Suck on no mama. Sick people too much. Sick drunk or blood clot too much.
I hope people remember me for the way I played with a smile on my face.
Be a dirty life a woman live. Be a dirty nasty
Sure,
life.
remember the wins, but also just like
Be a careless girl. Be a little 20-year-old woman, she have a suck them pussy and them a suck for her pussy. Oh, them a pussy clad. Queen Ushwad. It's a fucking disgrace. It's a disgrace. Your blood clot is a disgrace. To you big rest a big woman them.
It's
It's a fucking disgrace to rest a big woman them. Be a dirty life you live. Yeah, look into it as a big 54-year-old woman a fuck and suck in a car back. And that look good to you? Them just sitting there for some little young girl who just start fucking with them island and fucking a one car.
John Berman with Sarah Snyder and Kate Baldwin. This is CNN News Central.
Your man where you claim to say, vow where you claim to say you kill up for yourself and your husband because the name is so worthy to you. And you have him a fuck careless girl. No condom. And then take his same hood pushing a fear dirty thinking all too. This was full of all kind of disease to blood clot. 9 and 1 at 10. So at 10 girl me know him fuck without condom. 10 girl me know him fuck without condom. Because you can tell we say a 9 girl say them pregnant. 9. And the little one when me that fuck her on the back road. She never say use no condom. And then only like so that a 10 girl when fuck without condom. What we know of, because we don't know about the other one, them and the 3 some them are England, and we don't know about them, the whatever. But we can approve at 10.
Insurrectionist, CNN Senior Supreme Court Analyst Joan Biskupic is leading us off this
You're going to full of all kind of disease to blood clot. You make it look wide here. Through your nasty life.
Engaged in insurrection, but the ruling potentially this morning, as I understand it, will set a historic standard. Not
yeah, by fuck. Listen up. She buy 40 pound fuck from Dowey.
Correct.
And Dowey go she give Dowey 40 pound, Dowey go fuck another girl.
First, let me tell our audience why
because you're sick in stomach.
the Supreme Court.
But you know what? Tell us you're sick in stomach.
No notice of
Me only can talk after we then talk, you know.
opinion.
So I don't like me I make no story upon them or me I come up with nothing different. As she says she buy 40 pounds out of fuck for him, and when she wait for him come fuck and go fuck somebody else. Same way me buy as some sell it back.
Primary voting tomorrow along with education.
And when she beg, she talk out, she bust out everything.
So this is the opinion that we expect.
And when the people them a lick out pan her and I said, Queenie say you really a fucking a care.
The 14th Amendment.
And I first became my husband go buy like you know like a something good you do. Say people are say so.
And then engaged in.
What she say and I first she carry her husband go buy I said no she do regular.
And the Colorado Supreme Court had used that.
And he's still a runner from you.
By Donald Trump from state.
And he's still a runner from you.
But during oral arguments on February 8th, Sarah, the justices indicated
He's still a runner.
that they probably would never even get to the question of whether Donald Trump.
When the man up on the plane, the man said this is the best thing ever happened to me in my life.
Judges found.
Me no wrong him fi come back and tell you say in love you. To make you feel good and make you ball. So you can suck out your blood clot eye. This time when him a left me want him turn your head till your neck come off of your body. Make you all away go a funeral. I left you in a wheelchair. But you can't move. Young boy you want, young boy you get. Blood clot.
Individual states should be able to bar a candidate of several.
You never see a woman who sick my stomach like Queenie. Me be honest to God.
In this year's presidential.
Maybe if I did one young girl, you would be that say, "Chow, them are gonna change later on." That's just so now hard life and you understand?
Is immune from.
And like say you know some little girl them a feel do certain things cause they can't help themselves and whatever. You can't help yourself. You're a big woman we can't help themselves. And no young girl now live a life where you live. We can't even help themselves. I think we girl them run a back road to pussy clock that look like them a live a life where you live.
That would require Donald Trump to go to trial before the 2024 election.
Not even the little girl them run a back road now live a life where that woman they live.
Thank you.